Welcome back to my channel, Tink's Treasures. I'm Angie Koehne, K-O-E-H-N-E, that's me. And today I'm here with a unboxing of a off-brand heat press, mini heat press that comes with a mug press and a hat press. And with Cricut having everything back in the news of all their new heat press items, I wanted to review this and do a video on it. So right now I'm going to do the unboxing. And I got this from Amazon. It is the VEVOR, V-E-V-O-R, or maybe VEVOR Heat Press. It's the 10x10 Easy Press, not the mini. Easy Press 3-in-1. It does have a vibration function. The heat press, the mugs, the caps, and then also for doing t-shirts. So here we go. It was $159 on Amazon. So this is what we get. It came in one large box. There's 3 boxes here. So in the box, there is an instruction guide, which I did review or notice on the reviews that some people said there was little or no instructions, but there is an instruction guide, and I will look at this later. I do plan on doing a test with it right away. The video will either be right after this or part of this. So there is a pressing mat. The press itself and the tray it sits in. And then box number 2. This is the hat press, and it comes with this styrofoam, no, it's not styrofoam, foam form, and you can do plates with this. So I am anxious to see about doing some type of plates. You just put your plate down and heat up on the back. So I'll have to try that out. And then this is the attachment for the hat press. It just plugs right into the back of this. And then lastly is the mug press, which I have to say the mug press from Cricut is very cute. I just can't justify the money. And this is an attachment as well, so it'll plug into the back of the main press. It has suction cups, so you'll be able to attach it to your surface. I'll have to play with it. But there you go, that's the unboxing. I will get my instructions out and start playing with this and then show you what happens.